Okay, I have a lot of explaining to do here. Ow! A lot of you have been DMing me, asking me, where have you been? Why haven't you been uploading? It's been like a month since you've uploaded your last video. What's going on? Did you quit? Like, are you taking a break? Like, what's going on? And I haven't really been able to get back to everybody, and I've just been kind of just busy with my own thing. Not only that I go to Atlanta for a Halo tournament, I've just been like doing a bunch of other things, and then I'm also going to Canada in a couple days. So it's really hard to find some time to be filming lately, especially because finding things to film has just been difficult considering I don't have mods to film anymore. But that's aside the point. The other huge issue that I have is I can't even edit and upload videos anymore because my computer keeps overheating whenever I use my editing software, which is Sony Vegas and After Effects. Under regular use, it's fine, but literally it just keeps overheating. So I was like, what the heck? I took out my AIO, which is like my liquid cooler from Corsair. For those of you that are into computer stuff, if you are into cars, this video might sound so foreign to you. I'm sorry. This video is not going to be anything car related right now. We're going to see and hope that this works out because I really need to start uploading videos again, and I need to do this ASAP. So I got a new motherboard and a new CPU, and basically it was overheating. I tried to see if the thermal paste, I reapplied it, it got better, but and then I also wanted to have faster render times, and I got 32 gigs of RAM, a new motherboard, and an i7 8700K. I'm not gonna game that much, so I don't really care for my GPU, but if those of you that know about computers and want to know, it's a GTX 770. I got it like in 2013, so I don't care. But I'm really just trying to get this 280mm radiator in the front, which it's not intended to do in this case, and it's a Fantex case, and they say you can't really put a 280mm radiator in the front entirely, but the top I can do like 400, but I want to put it in the front for like an intake and exhaust like feel, because it's like better for cooling temps. I saw a video online by Bitwit, and he was starting to talk about how putting your radiator in the front of your PC basically gives you better temps. So I'm gonna hook this all up. My next clip is probably gonna be it completely hooked up and me trying to see if it works and if it's faster. So wish me luck, guys. I hope this works, because this is literally like the brick wall between me and you guys and uploading videos. So like, not only do I have all the thousands of other things going on in my life right now, but this is definitely something that is just bottlenecking me from being able to upload. So besides from video games and all that stuff. So let me get this all hooked up. My head is killing me, but I should be able to knock this out in the next hour or so. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so this is like a day later now. I know I said I'll see you guys in an hour, but I ran into a lot of hiccups and a lot of issues. Number one, the biggest problem was that my liquid cooler's pump broke. So here's my old cooler. It's complete junk now. Still kind of hear the water in it, but yeah, that stopped working as soon as I moved it from my old, you know, setup to this new one. I guess the way I moved it or something. I had it for 3 years, so it was kind of reaching its end of life cycle thing, whatever. So I got a whole new one. I went and picked it up from Best Buy. So I didn't know it was gonna be RGB, which is pretty cool. So if you guys want to see, for those of you computer dudes, you can see my build. It looks pretty clean for the most part. I'm gonna have my other thing on here, the plexiglass or whatever it is, and then it'll be shut, and the only thing that'll show is like this area and a little bit of this area. But for the most part, it's done. I backed up everything. I'm pretty much good to go. So the reason why I'm making this video is so you guys know why I haven't been uploading, and on top of that, pretty much what I've been up to is just computer stuff and a bunch of other little things. I'm trying to make my editing rig better. So now I'm running 32 gigabytes of RAM, and Intel i7 8700K, and the same old GPU from 2013, which was a GTX 770. So I actually modded these fans to work here. They do not fit to 140mm fans, so now I got a little good amount of, you know, like intake and exhaust stuff going on here, so my airflow is going to be good. My temps should be good. Aside from that, that's really it. Another reason why I really wanted to make this video, so for those of you that know that if there are changes in my videos or the way it's edited or the way it looks, if it's different, it's only because I have to reinstall my software and see if I gotta, you know, I don't have it memorized off the top of my head, and I couldn't back up that stuff because programs work with your old like hardware in your computer. It's kind of like synchronized to it. So even if I would have took Sony Vegas and the whole installation situation and moved it onto this computer, I would still have to start fresh either way. So whatever I know off the top of my head, if my videos do start to look different, this is literally why. So now that my computer's back, I should be back and uploading as much as I can, but December 7th I will maybe be going to Canada, so that's another like 5-6 days that I'm not going to be home, so that's no filming, nothing done. But I do have a mod coming for Mike's F80. We also have a couple mods coming for Rob's F30. But aside from me and what car I'm trying to get, I'm still trying to get a 350Z. The buying process, if you guys are asking like how's that going or what I'm doing to get a car right now, literally I'm just saving up still and racking up a little. I'm also just focusing on just myself and like, you know, getting back to like you know, being focused and back on the grind. I start class again in February, so got a lot of things going on in life right now, but I'm glad some of you actually cared and wonder like where the heck's Shmile, because he hasn't been uploading. But yeah, this is just gonna be that video that I make once in a while that I just talk and don't shut up, but it is what it is. So it's computer. It's beast so far. It's sick. My temps are super low. It's awesome. So can't wait to see how that works out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. For those of you who have any questions computer related, oh, and let me know down below if you guys want to see a how to build a PC video. I can do that because I have to actually build my dad one. So if you guys want, I can make a video like that for you guys and show you guys how you can, you know, pretty much build a computer, and I'll just take you guys step by step how to do things. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know if you have any comments down below. Let me know what you guys have in your rigs, what your setups are, because I'm curious to know, because I am looking for a new graphic card soon. So if any of you are selling some, let me know. I'd really appreciate that. But anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.